Hello children. So in the previous class we have discussed about thunderstorm and also lightning which occurs due to the sparks or the between the two objects. So now we'll discuss about earthquake. So what does this earthquake means? We have learned about thunderstorm and lightning, and also we have known about cyclones. So these are the major things which occurs when the thunderstorm has been occurred. So these natural phenomena can cause large destruction of human life as well as property. When these natural phenomena occurs, for example, earthquake, thunderstorm and lightning, so there will be a destruction of human life as well as the property will be taken place. Fortunately, these phenomena can be predicted to some extent. That means the weather department which are they will warn us. So for example, you might have experienced this. So in the case of when it is raining and all those things, the weather department will say that, or they will warn that. So today there will be more rain, or today there will be a climatic change in our climate, in our atmosphere. So those things they will warn it so that we will get it ready for that causes. So if a thunderstorm occurs, there is always possibility of lightning as well as cyclones accompanying it. If there is a thunderstorm occurring means there is a possibility of lightning as well as cyclone which according with it. So if the thunderstorm has been occurred means, so we'll say that next to that the lightning may occur as well as the cyclone will occur. So we get the time to take measures. So we have in the previous class discussed that when the lightning as well as thunderstorm occurs, how we have to protect ourselves. So if you are outside the house, if you are inside the house, how you are going to protect yourself, that is the main important thing. So when you get the alert, when you get the first alert of the thunderstorm itself, you have to be ready that, so next you have to go to your safest places. If you are inside the house, you have to take care of the electrical appliances. If you are outside the house, you have to see or you have to go to the safest place which will not affect you from the lightning and all. So that is why, so this is the thunderstorm is the primary thing or primary alert or which gives the alertness for us so that we will get the time to ready to the measures to protect ourselves from the damage here. So there is however one natural phenomena which we are not able to predict accurately. That is the one is earthquake. Because if the thunderstorm occur means you can say about lightning may also occur. That is the predictions. So but what about the earthquake? Earthquake we cannot able to predict accurately because when it happens, so where does it happens? All those things, it is not able to accurate it properly. So earthquake it can damage to life as property on a huge scale. So compared to lightning and cyclones, this earthquake will also damage more to the human life as well as the property. So a major earthquake occurred in India on 8th of October 2005 in Uri and in Tanjore towns of North Kashmir. Before that, a major earthquake occurred on 26 January 2001 in Bhuj districts of Gujarat. In all those places, the earthquake has occurred. A major earthquake has occurred in our India. So one is in the North Kashmir, another one is in the Gujarat here. So in all these cases, whenever you take the Kashmir as well as Gujarat, a major earthquake occurred means more damage has been occurred to the human life. Many have lost their life and many have lost their property also. That is the major disadvantage or what is the damage that has been occurred due to the earthquake. So you can able to see this is the Kashmir earthquake which has occurred. In that one, how it is damaged all the buildings, everything. So that is majorly it affects to the human life as well as property. See all the things, all the buildings, how they have damaged. One has completely damaged. Some or the other has been, half of them have been damaged. Now comes what is earthquake. So we have discussed because of earthquake which is not able to predict it, and we have known that it causes many disadvantages. So now what is earthquake? Earthquake is a sudden shaking or trembling of an earth which lasts for a very short time. This is very important, children. See here, earthquake is a sudden shaking. That is, suddenly there is a movement or shaking of the earth takes place. Trembling means shaking of the earth, which lasts for very short time. So that is only for few seconds you will observe that the earth is shaking. So it is caused by the disturbance deep inside the earth crust. So this is happening, this deep inside the earth crust. Due to that, earthquake will happen. Okay, some of you might have experienced the earthquake also. Some might not, but you have heard it. You have saw in the news what about this earthquake and all. So it is just a sudden shaking of earth. When there is a sudden shaking of earth takes place, so whatever you are there, whatever the property or the materials or the objects present around you will also shake. Because of that, you will experience it, so that it is a earthquake. Earthquake can occur all the time. We don't know at what time exactly it may occur all over the earth. They are not even noticed. Major earthquakes are much less frequent. They can cause immense damage to buildings. That means more damage it can do to the buildings, bridges. So they may break down, dams, as well as the people. The people who will be in that area where the earthquake occurs, they will suffer the more here. There can be a great loss to life as well as the property. This is the first thing we have discussed. Earthquake can cause floods, landslides and tsunamis. So you know, flood, so there is a more amount of water enter and the more damage to the property as well as the people. Landslides, so whatever the good day, all those things will be there, no? That will be damage. Tsunamis, so the waves will be in the seashore, more waves will occur. Because of that also the people who are there or the houses which are there, they will also get affected because of this. So because of the earthquake, all these can also happen. A major tsunami occurred in Indian Ocean on 26 December 2004. All the coastal areas around the ocean suffered a huge loss. Mainly in the case of tsunamis, the main effects will be to the coastal regions. Who are the people in the coastal region, or who are the property or anything, whatever there in the coastal region, they will get first mainly affected due to the tsunami.